Good morning, children. Tuesday's maths video. Unfortunately, no whiteboard today. I thought it would be easier to show you using my laptop, so I will be sharing the screen in a moment. You're well, and you're not too bored at home. Well done to all of you that are completing the work. You're doing very well with it. So keep up the hard work. I'm just going to share my screen. You'll be able to see. Look, I've forgotten how to do it. I haven't done it in that long. There we are. So you should be able to see my screen now. Going on to fraction. Now, today we're going to be looking at equivalent fractions again. So it's continuing from yesterday's work. We have got a few days at looking at equivalent fractions. Now, because your worksheet have a fraction wall, I thought it would make more sense if I used a fraction wall when teaching today. So we're going to start off with an easy one. So equivalent fractions. Remember, both fractions need to be the same. They need to be equal. So how many holes, one hole, sorry, is the same as how many halves? So one hole is equal to how many halves? Let's have a look at our fraction wall. So here is my hole. Now, how many halves do I need to make it equal to the whole? It's quite simple. There's one half and there's two halves. So two halves are equivalent to one whole. Oh, watch my I'm happy with that. So one whole, sorry, got to stop saying that. One whole is the same as two halves. Let's have a look at another example. 2 quarters is equivalent to how many eighths? Back to my fraction wall, move them out of the way. Move them back over there. So 2 quarters. There's 2 quarters. So 2 quarters is the same as how many eighths? Here's my eighths. So I've got 1/8. You can see they are not equivalent. 2/8 is equivalent to 1 quarter. 3/8 and 4/8. So you can see that 2 quarters is the same as 4/8. Here we go again. Again, I'm quite happy with that. 2 quarters is the same as 4/8. As you can see, children, they are equivalent fractions. They've got different numerators and different denominators. The numbers are different, but they are equal. As you can see there. Remember I said last week, from the 4 to the 8, we've times by 2. Another way of finding the answer would have been to multiply the numerator. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. As long as you multiply them by the same number, you will always find an equivalent fraction. For example, if I was going to do them both by 3, and that would be the same. So 4 times 3. Laptop's gone to sleep. Come on. It worked. 4 times 3 is 12. And 2 times 3 is 6. There is another equivalent fraction. It's up to you if you want to multiply to find the answers, or you can look at the fraction wall in your book. Let's have a look at another example. 2/8 is the same as how many quarters? Okay, so I need 2/8. Let's pop this one back, and this one, and this one, and this one. 2/8 is the same as 1 quarter. There you can see 2/8 is the same as a quarter. And this time, children, we've divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. It might be easier at the moment just to look at the fraction wall, but I'm showing you just in case you want to use this method. That was the last of my examples. If you do want to use the fraction wall, children, like I've been using on the internet, you can go on to Google, type in interactive fraction wall, and there are lots of different fraction walls that you can use. This one's a good one, and also that's the one I was using today, MathSpot. So if you want to play around with the fractions on there, you can do. If you have any problems, then go on to the screen. If you have any problems, then you can just go onto your blog, or you can email your teachers. Should be appearing. If you have any problems, then go onto your blog or email the year group, and we will be more than happy to help you. Take care. Stay safe. Goodbye.